Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Man's Sky multiplayer. No Man's Sky offers a vast universe where you can explore alongside others. The game's online services allow for seamless interaction, letting you either join up with friends or encounter fellow travelers randomly. A single multiplayer group can support up to 4 players, enabling cooperative exploration, building, and adventuring across the stars. Plus, with crossplay, you can connect with friends regardless of their gaming platform. To connect with your friends, simply navigate to the Join Game option from the main menu. Here, you will see a list of your online friends who are currently playing No Man's Sky. It is crucial that everyone has the most recent game update installed to ensure compatibility and a smooth connection. You can also adjust various network settings within the game to customize your multiplayer experience before joining. Once connected, the universe is yours to explore together. You and your friends can embark on countless adventures, from discovering new planets and building impressive shared bases to tackling challenging missions. Collaboration is key. You can share resources, work on intricate construction projects, or even engage in exciting space battles as a unified force. Effective communication, whether through voice or text chat, will greatly enhance your cooperative gameplay. For the best multiplayer experience, a stable internet connection is paramount to avoid interruptions. Always ensure your game is updated to the very latest version, as this prevents compatibility issues and ensures access to all features. Take a moment to review your in-game network settings to optimize performance and manage your privacy. While most interactions are positive, be mindful of other players in public areas, as the universe is vast and varied.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.